Artie McYarty, here with another one. Yeah, that's right, folks. This time, we're attacking those dollar weeds. That is my arch nemesis. Sick and tired of it. So what did I do? I got some Image from Home Depot over by there. That's the purple top one, by Image. This will help us with not only dollar weed, but a strew of all kinds of broadleaf weeds. I am doing it at the higher rate. I am doing 8 ounces per 1,000 square feet, but I am just spot spraying them. So 8 ounces is put into, yeah, that's right, 1 gallon of water. Let me repeat, 8 ounces of Image Purple Top, 1 gallon of water in my tank sprayer. Mix it nice and good, agitate it, and start spot spraying. You see those dollar weed right there? Yeah. See you later, alligator. Let's-a go.